Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best TWS Bluetooth earbuds that combine powerful audio, long battery life, and smart features at a great price. If you're looking for an upgrade to your listening experience, you'll love this pick. Let's get started. Product features. Exceptional noise cancellation. Let's begin with noise cancellation. The AY-T66 earbuds reduce up to 25 decibels of environmental noise, eliminating up to 90% of background sounds. Whether you're in a noisy cafe or on public transport, your music and calls stay crisp and undisturbed, like having peace in your pocket. Clear voice calls. Voice calls are often a deal breaker with earbuds, but not with the T66. It comes with dual ENC microphones and beamforming technology that isolate your voice from noise. Whether you're in a meeting or chatting outdoors, your voice comes through clearly. No more, "Can you hear me now?" Impressive audio quality. Now let's talk sound. The 13mm hi-fi drivers deliver a rich, balanced audio profile. Expect sharp highs, warm mids, and booming bass, all fine-tuned for a premium experience. Whether you love podcasts, EDM, or chill playlists, these earbuds adapt to your vibe perfectly. Extended playtime. Battery anxiety? Not here. With up to 25 hours of total playtime, including the charging case, you're good for long work days, travel, or marathon playlists. Plus, you can count on consistent power delivery. No mid-song cutoffs or connection drops to ruin your moment. Bluetooth 5.3 for smooth connectivity. Connectivity can make or break wireless earbuds. The T66 features Bluetooth 5.3, offering better range, faster pairing, and low-latency streaming. You get stable audio with less lag, perfect for gaming, streaming, or seamless switching between calls and music. Pros: excellent noise cancellation, crystal clear calls with dual mics, high-fidelity audio performance, long-lasting battery life, fast and stable Bluetooth 5.3 pairing, sleek, comfortable fit for all-day use. Cons: no wireless charging case, no dedicated app for EQ customization, slightly bulky charging case for some users. Final thoughts. The AY-T66 TWS earbuds strike a great balance between quality, features, and price. Whether you're working, gaming, commuting, or just relaxing with your favorite tunes, these earbuds deliver consistent performance and comfort. They're a smart choice if you want premium features without breaking the bank. Level up your sound game today. Check the price link in the description and grab yours while they're still in stock. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more honest and helpful reviews just like this one. Until next time, happy listening!